Well, my clutch lever just snapped, so I got no clutch. So I'm gonna have to ride home without it. Wish me luck. I got my buddy here. He's gonna keep an eye on me in traffic. Well, basically I have been able to get the bike off to a running start, and then when I push the lever into gear, the bike engages and I have to give it a little bit of throttle just to keep it running, and it's not difficult for me to shift into second gear or get it back into neutral. So overall we're doing pretty good. Well, I guess I gotta put a clutch on the list.
Damn.
That's alright. Gotta have it.
Yeah. Clutch cable.
They go bad every now and again.
Go slow.
Okay.
Worst case scenario, go into this parking lot here.
This will be my launch pad. Here I go. Alright, we got it. This is so exciting.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright, you want to get in front?
Yeah.
The wind's like 95 miles an hour. I checked before I left. No clutch.
I'm trying to creep up on this light. Hopefully it'll change to green. There we go. The bike seems to shift well without the clutch. Been pretty lucky with the red lights. Glad I made it through this one. And I'm gonna see if I can time these lights and just cruise home in traffic.